Hi, welcome to the Computer Learning Channel. Today, we are going to answer a question that I get asked a lot by many of my customers. What is WordPress? WordPress is the most popular CMS, or content management system, in the world. A content management system is a software that helps web developers build online web portals. Typically, internet sites are built by writing code, which is a skill not many people have, and a skill that has a steep learning curve to acquire. This is where WordPress comes in. It is a software layer that comes in between the web designers and the hosting servers, assisting them in creating, managing, and publishing digital content using an intuitive user interface without writing a single line of code. Of course, not unless the developers want to tweak the final published site with specific, unique, or new features. It is so popular that it runs approximately 43% of all websites in the world. It powers websites of all sizes, from personal blogs to major enterprise sites. WordPress is a very flexible platform, and yes, it can be tweaked because it is an open source project that has a massive community with thousands of developers contributing and updating a large pool of plugins and themes, giving the users almost an infinite number of customization options. Now that we know what WordPress is, let's look at some interesting numbers and facts. Fact number 1. As we mentioned earlier, 43% of all websites use WordPress. Fact number 2. WordPress has a 64% share of the content management system software market. Facts number 3 and 4. WordPress has 59,000 free plugins and 12,000 themes to choose from, and that number is growing by the day. So, we established that WordPress is a dominant contender in web publishing. Let's dive into some of the usage subcategories for some more insights. WordPress can be used to publish blogs and periodicals, like personal journals, news sites, and online magazines. To establish an e-commerce website for an online presence selling physical products, digital products, or other services. Even for that targeted category, we have an open source plugin by the name of WooCommerce that can convert any WordPress website into a functional online store. For business websites to create landing pages and portfolios promoting their products and services. For community forums like membership sites and discussion boards. For creative artists and designers to showcase their photography, design, and art portfolios. And for enterprise platforms implementing large-scale sites for major organizations. WordPress comes in 2 flavors, WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So what is the difference? WordPress.org is the downloadable free version of the software and is self-hosted. You get complete control over your site, full access to the code, and unlimited customization options. On the flip side, WordPress.com is the hosted version of the application. You have to sign into your account with the provider, pick a paid plan that meets your needs, and start building your site. With this option, you don't have to worry about server management. It is easier to start, but with some trade-offs and flexibility. So, which version of WordPress should you run? Choose WordPress.org if you want total control over your website. If you need custom plugins or theme modifications. If you plan to run an online store using WooCommerce, or if you want to monetize freely with ads and subscriptions. Please note that you can still use WooCommerce and monetize with ads on the WordPress.com side. It is a matter of what paid plan you subscribe to and what the host provider allows on their platform. Also, go with WordPress.org if you have the technical skills to administer the WordPress server, and or if you have a developer that can customize your web pages, or if you need advanced SEO customizations. On the other hand, you can choose WordPress.com if you want the simplest possible setup. If you don't want to manage the hosting platform or updates of the servers. if you are building a personal blog or a small site, if you prefer a low maintenance experience, if you don't need custom plugins or access to the code, or if you want a more secure website that comes with backups. Whether you choose .org or .com, WordPress gives you the tools to bring your vision to life on the web.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.